Hey, before you watch this, I hope you've already watched my wash day video at Nubian Crown Hair Studio. This was a preparation for my silk press. So after washing, we applied a Miracle Milk leave-in conditioner. Then we went on to detangle. As you can see, Rocky is detangling from the ends to the roots, so make sure to detangle your ends first. Then we applied a smooth guard. This was done as a heat protectant to protect the hair from heat tools. Something I want you guys to see is my shrunken hair versus my stretched hair. Guys, shrinkage is a liar. Can you see how smooth my hair looks when we just use a dryer? Guys, this dryer is life. Here, G is showing us how to blow dry. If you don't have a comb attachment, you can always use your round brush. It doesn't take too long to do a section. As you can see, she is already done. I'll just skip to a little bit here when she is already done with the whole section. So smooth and so nice. Then Rocky went back to just blow drying the final sections of the hair. Then we applied a smooth guard again as a heat protectant. Then Rocky here went over with a straightener. So he's using a straightener and he's following up with the comb. So this is the chase method to make sure that all the hair is nicely straightened. Please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive notifications about my new videos. Thank you. So I'm showing you from the front how Rocky styles my hair. He is applying, he's using the straightener to do my hair at the front. And then I was done. Look at that hair. Look at that hair. Go girl, yes. Then here, because I suffer from split ends, single strand knots and uneven ends, Rocky was just trimming up my ends to make sure that my ends are a bit healthier. Then after, we went on to apply a Thermo Smooth anti-humidity spray. This is to make sure that my hair is always straight and does not revert back. And then we also used an oil. It's a Mizani oil, 25 mineral oil. So we use this. I will use this throughout the 2 weeks or more that I will have the silk press on. Guys, look at that volume. My hair is looking good. Yes. Do like my video, comment and subscribe, and please do share to a friend. Have you ever done a silk press before? Tell me in the comments. Bye.